Hidden away in our forests is one of Britain's most impressive predators, the goshawk. She'll catch anything that moves. With a nest of hungry chicks to feed, this mother needs to make a kill. Goshawks hide their families deep in the forest. Birds make up 3/4 of her diet, and those living just outside the trees are particularly at risk. It's using long grass for cover, but that's no defense against an aerial attack. The partridge can hit 30 miles an hour, but the goshawk can do 40. There's no escape.